Hi, welcome to ARCHAIC Lighting. This is Ashley. Today I'm going to show you the installation of R50 headlights. These headlights can fit for R50, 52 and 53. Before we go over of the installation, let's look at the new changes of this headlight. You will see how much it's better than the factory headlight. This is totally upgraded and you will have a new look of your car with blue start-up animation and scanning DRL. It has bi-LED projector for super bright high beam and low beam. And the sequential turn signal makes your car very modern look. Obviously, you need to have these headlights for your car. Okay, now let's get straight to the installation. First we need to do is to remove this headlight from the hood. We will see 3 8mm nuts over here. Let's remove them. Now we have these 3 nuts removed. The next step is we have to disconnect this plug over here. Okay, here is one button. Let's push this button, will help us to disconnect this plug more easy. Now we have this plug disconnected from the headlights. So the next step is to push this headlight out from the hood. Okay, it's very easy. Another side, we will do totally the same thing to open the headlights. Now let's install our headlights in the car. Let's put these headlights in the right position. Okay, now let me show you the connection for all the plugs. You will see this harness from our package. This is DIL harness. I will explain the connection later. Okay, first, let's connect this main plug. This is a plug from our headlight. This is a plug from the car. Let's connect this main plug. Let's connect these 2 plugs from the original side turn signal lights. All we need is the panel tool. Come here. And let's open this side turn signal light from this side. Okay, pay attention. We open from this side. All we need is this panel tool. Okay, now we open this turn signal light and disconnect this socket. And this harness will go through one side to this turn signal light. And another side will connect to the original car. Okay, so now let's leave this turn signal here first. Do not install now. Later we will install this in the final step. Okay, now we have to install the headlight in the passenger side. The process will be totally the same. Okay, now we have to connect this harness to our headlights. This plug we will connect to the driver side. We will connect this plug to this white harness. Okay? And here we will see another plug. This one we will connect to the headlights in another side. Connect this plug in the passenger side. Last step is to connect this plug to the fuse box inside the driver side. Okay, now let's open the door. We will try to open to the end because the harness we will need to go through the holes inside the door. First, we need to disconnect this plug. Okay, now this plug we need to go through. Okay, the plugs will go through from this hole. Okay, now let's connect this plug. And find the right place here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one. 20. Find the right place here and connect this plug to the fuse box. Okay? Now let's close this cover. Okay, now we already get this DIL harness connected. We have to open this rubber here and hide this harness inside. Okay, let's try to hide this harness inside. Okay, so we will not see any harness right here. Okay, now we have all the plugs connected. Now we can install this side turn signal back to the fender. Okay, pay attention to the harness. Make sure when we go through the harness, everything is inside the gas spring, inside, not outside, okay? Inside. In this way, when we close the hood will not hurt anything in the harness. Okay, let's use the zip ties to clean all the harness. Okay, now we get all the plugs connected. Now the last step is we need to get all the nuts secured to the lights. Okay, that's all for today. If you have more questions, contact us. Thank you. Bye-bye.